Hey, are you overwhelmed with all the acronyms and references to things that you may not understand? Things that are specific to my industry that you don't probably use in everyday life at the dinner table with the kids? Let me help you out. I'm going to give you some terms so that you can sound like the cool kids and make use of these wonderful industry acronyms. All right, let's jump right in. I'm going to start with HML. HML is a hard money lender. PML, private money lender. KIP, that's me. AIV, as is value. ARV, after repaired value. LTV, loan to value. LTC, loan to cost. LTARV, loan to after repaired value. LTP, loan to purchase. SOW, scope of work. GLA, gross living area. POC, point of contact. HOI, homeowner's insurance. LOE, you're going to hear this one a lot. Letter of explanation. DFS, Diversified Financing Solutions. Give us a call today at 800-228-8180, extension 100. Or if you want to find out more about when these terms apply to you and how to make use of them, put 15 minutes on my calendar below. I'd be happy to connect. Thanks.